30-day trial of iHeartRadio All Access. You'll love it. Don't be basic, be extra. Start a free 30-day trial of iHeartRadio All Access now.
Let me guess. Unknown caller. You could reduce the number of unwanted calls and emails with online privacy protection. The latest innovation from Discover will help regularly remove your personal info, like your name and address, from 10 popular people search websites that could sell your data for free. Activate in the Discover app. See terms and learn more at discover.com/online privacy protection. Great gaming is hard.
But great taste is just a Coke away. Next time you need a break, remember to pause, refresh, and keep playing. Want to watch your favorite players in action? Join us on Twitch for Coke Game Nights. To set a reminder for the next stream and get a link with more info, say, Alexa, get me ready for Coke Game Night. That's Alexa, get me ready for Coke Game Night.
I never chose to become a gambling addict. What I did choose was to get help from a professional counselor.
For no-cost gambling addiction counseling, 1-800 or text SUPPORT to 53342. Brought to you by the California Department of Public Health.
There is no better time than the present to explore lucrative commercial real estate offerings from REEF. Visit RREAF. Featured on Fox News, Wall Street Journal, Yahoo Finance, and many more. We're not a crowdfunding site. We own and operate all our properties. Come see why thousands of individual investors have decided to trust REEF with their real estate investments. Call us today with any questions. Hedge market volatility with REEF. Open to accredited investors only. Visit RREAF.com.
75% off your second guest. Savings of up to $800 per stateroom and up to $800 onboard credit. Sell to the Caribbean, Europe, Mexican Riviera, and Alaska. Hurry, Select Cruises semi-annual sale and soon. Call 1-800-CELEBRITY. Contact your travel advisor or celebrity.com. Authorized next December 20th, 2023. Plus non-refundable for lost rates on select sailings. Additional restrictions apply. Ships registry, Malta and Ecuador.
Welcome. With knee pain specialist Dr. Philip Yu, the founder of 21st Century Knee Pain Institute. If you suffer with knee pain, you will not want to miss the next 60 minutes where you can learn how to live free without knee surgery. Now, with today's show, here is Dr. Yu.
Welcome to Living Without Knee Pain. Are you suffering with knee pain? Have you tried all of the pain treatments, the shots, the pills? If you're still suffering with chronic knee pain caused by something like rheumatoid arthritis, or torn meniscus, a fall or accident, have you been told you need a knee replacement? Here's the good news from Dr. Philip Yu, the doctor who teaches other doctors and founder of 21st Century Knee Pain Institute. You may now have non-surgical, painless medical breakthrough, the West Coast's only laser-guided stem cell therapy. This new laser treatment may reduce or eliminate your knee pain in minutes. Imagine knees in a day. If you have chronic knee pain, attend a special knee pain lunch and learn seminar and learn how this new laser new life and start living pain-free. Grab your cell phone, be one of the next 27 callers, and the knee pain lunch seminar is free. Dial pound 250 and say knee pain, and you'll be connected on your cell phone. So dial pound 250 and say knee pain. And without further ado, I want to welcome Dr. Philip Yu to the program. Dr. Yu, thank you for being with me today. Nice to meet you too. I have a lot of questions about what you do because I've heard a little bit about stem cell therapy, and I definitely want to get into that. But before we do that, I want to look at what people have been doing for years, right? Because I've had a lot of family, friends, parents who have gone through knee replacements, back and all types of invasive procedures that I'm starting to believe can be avoided if you're meeting with the right doctor. So let's look at the old procedures. So what type of medications were being prescribed for osteoarthritis or knee pain? And were there harmful side effects? Are there issues with this medication? What's still happening that you think can
stands for non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug, and these come in many naproxen pills. But if you take these drugs long term, some of the harmful side effects are you can get stomach ulcers, GI bleeding, liver, kidney problems, high blood pressure, constipation, etc.
Drug commercials now.
Well, yeah, I mean, every other drug commercial, they always blot out the side effects at the end, and the side effects are worse than your symptoms. So, yeah. When the NSAIDs no longer work, then they can be sent to pain management, and typically they'll be prescribed a narcotic or opioid drug such as OxyContin, fentanyl, now carfentanil, Percocet, Vicodin,
and that stuff is crazy addictive.
Well, just he died of an opioid overdose of Vicodin. It happened to Michael Jackson, even Elvis Presley, because a lot of these substances are addictive, so you have to take more and more to get the pain relief, and that's what does these entertainers in. And well, now there's a big class action lawsuit against Purdue Pharma, who makes OxyContin, because it's proven they made it to be addictive so they can sell more. They're giving doctors and hospitals incentives to prescribe more, but then there were 70,000 deaths last year from opioids. So now there's a national agenda to decrease opioid use. So, yeah. And then after the pills fail, usually the pain management specialist will want to do an injection, and usually cortisone is the first injection of choice. And I'll admit, a lot of patients that come to see me, they say, oh, they've had a cortisone injection in their knee, and the pain went away for a little while, but they came with a vengeance, and typically they'll say, well, let's do another cortisone. And typically the second, third, fourth cortisone in the knee, either nothing happens or the pain gets worse, because sometimes you can get side effects, because cortisone is a steroid, and one side effect is it's catabolic. It eats your muscle, it eats your soft tissue, it disintegrates your ligaments, your tendons in the knee.
Oh my God.
And you can have neuropathy or nerve issues, it can damage the nerve. So the more cortisone you put in your joints, the faster it disintegrates and goes bone on bone, and then they're going to say, oh, go to surgery and have a replacement.
So I don't understand this. Why are the treatments causing more problems? Why do they come up with treatments that cause more problems? That seems counterintuitive to me.
You got to understand, I think, although we're the richest nation, we spend the most on pain pills. Quite frankly, I think there's too much ties with big pharma, with getting these dangerous drugs through the FDA. Because I think a lot of the studies they do to get the drugs approved are manipulated. That's off the market. It's causing too many deaths.
Yeah.
But just because these drugs are approved doesn't mean they're safe. And I think the big pharma industry has too much influence on the medical school curriculum, just based on pharmacology instead of getting to the root. The same with these injections. It's temporary, a band-aid approach, to temporarily relieve the pain, basically blocking the pain signals to your brain, but it doesn't cause the knee pain, which is the arthritis, the wear and tear.
Yeah. So what is it about you as a doctor that made you, I mean, I'm sure you were taught all of that as like a standard practice, and then you went further into saying, no, this is not the right way to treat something. You don't treat something by causing more.
Typically, and I talk about the injections, right? So, when the cortisone fails, then they're going to try what's called viscosupplementation. It sounds like it makes sense. It's like the joint fluid that helps lubricate the joint, right?
Yeah.
So, and these come in many brand names such as Synvisc, Orthovisc, Suparx, artificial hyaluronic acid. And sometimes it gives you relief, but you have to do it a few months because it doesn't last. It's artificial joint fluid. There's an old saying, when you have pain in your body, the Greeks would spray Windex or WD-40 on your joints. It's basically the same thing. It's artificial, it doesn't last. So when that wears out, you send it to a surgeon, and typically they'll take an X-ray and MRI, and they'll put your image on the view screen and say, Mr. the surgeons say. It can cause a blood clot and a stroke because a lot of people are on blood thinners and you're opening the knee up, a lot of bleeding occurs, or it can cause hardware failure. A lot of these hardware metal leaks into the patient's body, and metal's a neurotoxin, this heavy metal. Or you have hardware failure, because the hardware doesn't work, you can't get your gas 90, you have a scar tissue forming inside of it that interferes with the range of motion, and even if the knee replacement works, it's temporary because a lot of times it wears out after 10, 15, 20 years because you age, you get osteoporosis, and the bone can't stabilize the metal that's implanted in your knee. Do a revision, or they have to do another knee replacement from the bone. So what we do is we take more of a natural route where sometimes, just because you're it doesn't mean it's causing the pain, because a lot of men who are 55 years old have spinal stenosis and degenerative disc disease, which means your L4-5, your L5-S1 disc in the lower back is going on bone. So a lot of those patients have back pain, even though the x-ray shows they're going on bone. So the pain in the knee can be coming elsewhere. It can be referred from the back. Now, there's a nerve called your femoral nerve that's branches free from your lower spine. Those nerves branch out from your spine, and they control your knee muscles. There's 4 muscles, your quadriceps. And if those nerves, if there's compression on the nerves in your spine because of the stenosis, they can't activate those muscles in your tracking gets messed up, so the knee starts grinding and it wears out, and then it goes bone on bone from nerve problem. But most of these surgeons don't even look at other body parts.
Okay, so
they're missing the big picture.
That leads me to my next question, which is, if somebody comes into your office for the first time, or you're not just looking at the knee, you're trying to figure out where that pain is actually coming from, because you can do all the work on the knee you want, but if the pain, if that problem isn't
exactly. So you can think of it like this. So let's say you have some knocking noise in your car like this, and then center, and they said, you know what, your transmission is worn out, we've got to replace your transmission. That's a big job. It could cost you like $3,500. He said, no thanks, let me get a second opinion. So go to the transmission and have the knee replacement, the big surgery, right? And they can bill your insurance up to what? And then, so let's say you want a second opinion. So you go to the tire center, and you say, hey, I got this knocking noise, right? And the tire guy says, you know what? It's not your transmission. Your front right tire is misaligned. And then the tire guy aligns your wheel, and then there's no knocking noise. So, and that costs you, what, $25 to get that wheel aligned. And you avoided that $3,500 transmission repair. So that's what we look at the whole body. What is causing that popping, clicking in your knee? The grinding, the pain every step you take. You can't go up and down stairs. You can't even get off the toilet seat because of that excruciating bone-on-bone knee pain. Can't golf. You can't hike, stuff like that. So look at test the nerves in your spine that control the quadriceps, the femoral nerve. We look at the knee structure. That's another misdiagnosed cause of knee pain. So normally, so I'll take a front image. It's a literal picture of your whole body, right? And then laser lines that go down each of your legs. And if that laser line is not in the center of your hip, knee, and ankle, we know that there's undue stress on the knees because you're not aligned with gravity.
Yeah.
Your Q angle, and then if that Q angle is off in your knee, if the knees are curved, that means you've lost cartilage in the inside of your knee, and it's getting bone on bone. That's why you have pain on the insides. Now, some people are opposites. They have knock knees, the knees that kind of cave in because they lost cartilage on the outside of their knees. But we've developed a wedge. It's called an unloader wedge, where if you have bow legs, the wedge is thicker on the inside, so it pushes your knee in, and it's opposite for the knock knees.
I'm going to stop you right there because we have to take a break. Okay. This is all great stuff. So we're going to pick up on the other side of the break right where we left off because I want to learn more about that. But are you suffering with knee pain, or you're listening to this and you're suffering with knee pain, and this is all resting pain treatments, the shots, the pills, and you're still suffering with chronic knee pain caused by either bone arthritis, a torn meniscus, a fall or accident, have you been told that you need knee replacement? Here's the good news from Dr. Philip Yu, the doctor who teaches other doctors and founder of 21st Century Pain Institute. You may now have hope of reducing or eliminating your pain with a new non-surgical, painless medical breakthrough, the West Coast's only laser-guided stem cell therapy. This new laser treatment may reduce or eliminate. Imagine new knees in a day. If you have chronic knee pain, attend a special knee pain lunch and learn seminar and learn how this new laser stem cell treatment can give your old knees new life on the path of living pain-free. Grab your cell phone, be one of the next 27 callers, and the knee pain lunch seminar is free. Dial pound 250 and say knee pain, and you'll be connected on your cell phone. Just dial pound 250 and say knee pain, and you get this education for free. You get to actually have all of your questions answered. We can't answer everything on the air right now, but if you go to this seminar, you'll have all of your questions answered. So please do it. Pound 250, say knee pain on your cell phone. You're listening to Living Without Knee Pain. We're going to be right back after the break. Thank you for joining us.
To Living Without Knee Pain with Dr. Philip Yu, the founder of 21st Century Knee Pain Institute. If you have chronic knee pain, attend one of Dr. Yu's free lunch seminars. To make a free reservation, just grab your cell phone and dial pound 250 and say free knee pain lunch seminar. On your cell phone, dial pound 250 and say knee pain. And join us next time for Living Without Knee Pain with Dr. Philip Yu.
Are you suffering from pain? Have you tried shots, pills, yet you are still suffering with chronic knee pain caused by bone-on-bone osteoarthritis, a torn meniscus, a fall or accident? Have you been told that you need a knee replacement? Here is good news from Dr. Philip Yu, founder of 21st Century Pain Institute. You may now have hope of reducing or eliminating surgical painless laser stem cell treatment, the West Coast's only laser-guided stem cell therapy. This new treatment may reduce or eliminate your knee pain in minutes, and Dr. Yu is using this treatment on NFL alumni players with their knee and back injuries. Here's a special offer. Dr. Yu is offering a special $97 new knees in a day exam that includes infrared laser joint inflammation scan, a Neuro 7 nerve test, and X-ray MRI review. Normally $375, but just $97 for the first 27 callers. Grab your cell phone and dial pound 250 and say there is only a limited number of $97 exams. So on your cell phone, dial pound 250 and say knee pain.
To Living Without Knee Pain with knee pain specialist Dr. Philip Yu, the founder of Institute. If you suffer with knee pain, you will not want to miss the next 60 minutes where you can learn how to live pain-free without knee surgery. Now, with today's show, here is Dr. Yu.
Welcome back to Living Without Knee Pain. If you join, it's like a fantastic conversation with Dr. Philip Yu. Before we get back into it, I want to ask, are you suffering? Have you tried the shots, the pills, yet you're still suffering with chronic knee pain caused by arthritis or a torn meniscus, or maybe you had a fall or accident? Have you been told that you need knee replacement? This is the important part, because here's the good news from Dr. Philip Yu, founder of 21st Century Knee Institute. You may now have hope of reducing or eliminating your pain with a new non-surgical, painless laser stem cell treatment. West Coast's only laser-guided stem cell therapy. This will reduce or eliminate your knee pain in minutes. Here's a special offer. So pay close attention. If you have chronic knee pain, Dr. Yu is offering a special $97 new knees in a day exam that includes an infrared laser joint inflammation scan, a Neuro 7 nerve test, X-ray MRI review, and a knee surgery prevention plan. Normally $375,